Welcome back to Antique Hardware Supply. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of doorknobs, exploring the history and benefits of glass, porcelain, and brass varieties. Glass doorknobs became popular in the early 20th century, especially after World War I when metal was scarce. Their ability to refract light adds elegance and sparkle to any room, making them a favorite for vintage and modern decor alike. Available in various shapes and colors, glass doorknobs can easily complement different styles. While they require careful handling to avoid chipping, their aesthetic appeal makes them a glamorous choice for any space. Next, we have porcelain doorknobs, which rose to prominence during the Victorian era. Known for their smooth, glossy finish, porcelain knobs often feature intricate designs. They're highly durable and resistant to scratches, making them a practical choice for long-term use. Available in styles ranging from plain white to hand-painted patterns, porcelain doorknobs suit both traditional and contemporary interiors. Though they can chip if struck forcefully, their timeless charm makes them a classic favorite. Finally, let's talk about brass doorknobs, used for centuries due to their strength and workability. In the 18th and 19th centuries, they became synonymous with quality and craftsmanship. Brass doorknobs offer durability and a timeless appeal, available in various finishes like polished, antique, and satin. One significant advantage is their natural antimicrobial properties, which help reduce the spread of germs. Brass remains a popular choice for its classic look and longevity. At Antique Hardware Supply, we appreciate the unique benefits and historical significance of each type of doorknob. Glass offers elegance, porcelain provides durability, and brass delivers strength and timeless style. Your choice depends on personal taste and practical needs, but you can't go wrong with any of these options. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into home design and history. Share in the comments which type of doorknob you prefer and why. See you next time.